owner of Amoy Street Food Center Fish Soup Store. Health declining, selling business for 800,000. That is run by this uncle called Ya Chun Biao, 79 years old. The official retirement age in Singapore is 63. Really wish him all the best. Keyword here is this word business. I don't think he's selling a business. I think he's selling the store or selling the job. So it simply means that if I have 800k, I pass it to him. He's going to pass the store to me. So what should I do? Am I going to take over his job to run this store early in the morning, wake up at 3 a.m. and run the store all the way at night? It's very important for us to distinguish what's the difference between a job and a business. Yeah, but I will consider this store as a business if this uncle, right, has a team in place. For example, maybe there are 2-3 staff in place. Whether I'm there or not, it doesn't matter. This store is self-running. And then not only that, the store has very good managers so that I don't have to manage. Provided I will see their financial statements. Yeah, because if the store, right, don't make money like Noon Talk, I don't think I'll be interested. Would you consider buying this fish soup store for 800,000?